Are you moving soon? You need this. A list and matching labels color-coded by rooms.
There are 3 options for this printable.
A fully editable PDF where you customize and type in your specific room names on the main list.
Once you type in a room name, the matching color label will autofill with that room name, saving you tons of time.
Just pack your box and grab a label.
The labels have room where you can write and add the contents of the box right on the label.
You can use regular paper and just tape the labels on each box, or feel free to use sticker paper to eliminate the need for tape.
Option 2 is a pre-filled list which comes with 14 common rooms already added, plus 4 blank colors to write in your own. Option 3 is a completely blank list and completely blank labels so you can fill them in as you go.
The list helps you to easily keep track of how many boxes you packed for each room.
This color coding system is great because it makes it very easy visually to know where every box goes.
I've used this system twice for moving and it was so incredibly helpful.
So head on over to Print-A-Party.com and grab your moving kit today.